Advantages: disadvantages of predictive maintenance. It keeps maintenance frequency low and reliability high. Possible failure is identified with monitoring equipment linked to software or through visual inspections. Advantages of predictive maintenance include cost savings on labor, higher production rates, more insight into the performance and potential issues of assets. Disadvantages of predictive maintenance include a more costly upfront investment in technology, labor, and skill. Not all assets can be cost-effectively maintained using preventive maintenance.